So guys, I've placed an order with Ovoms UK online for my dream staircase. Let's go in and see what they've done. Hello. Thank you, let's go. So I've had my consultation with Afi here. She's shown me all the colours, all the designs, and loads of different ways we can do the staircase. I've gone for this colour, which is a nutwood. So let's go design it. So Florian's just shown me on the screen how my staircase is going to look. It looks amazing. Let's go downstairs to the workshop to see how it's really made. So guys, I'm downstairs now in this crazy workshop. There's lots going on and Aziza is going to show me around.
Yes, I'll show you around.
So guys, this is quite exciting and now it's my turn to make my own stairs. Good. Cheers, bro. It's unbelievable. So if you are wondering how easy this actually is to order, all you've got to do is go on your phone or laptop, go onto the Ovoms website, you're going to see Get Your Dream Stairs, like I have today. Click Shop Online, and the prices and the look of your dream staircase is right in front of you. You can get yours within about 10 minutes, and that's how easy it is.